Hey, today I'm gonna try to explain how to run the command prompt in Windows, and there's a command prompt in pretty much every Windows, Vista, XP. Anyway, uh, first to open it, you gotta go to the start button, and then on XP you'll have something that says run right here, and then you're gonna click it and push C and type CMD, enter. But on Vista, all you gotta do is come down here and type CMD, enter, and then you'll get a box that looks like this, which is your command prompt. And once you open it, what I do is I type in CLS, which is clear screen, so you don't get all that junk at the top, you just get that. And then basically what the command prompt does is you can locate files and open up stuff. You can basically run your computer using it. It's kind of a difficult way to do it, but I'm sure it's handy somehow. But anyway, this part right here, this right beside where you type in that says C users and then user, that's your directory to the command prompt. And if you want to open up a program using this, then all you got to do is type in CD and then enter, and then do it again until all you can see is C. And then to get to a file, to open up a program or whatever, you just type in CD space program files, and that will make the directory of your command prompt go to program files. And then type it in again, CD, or no, you know what, you can just, if you want to, once it's open to program files, you can type in dir, which means directory, and if you push enter, it will show you every file located in program files, which is all your programs you have on your computer. So let's see, right here's all the programs, and if I want to, like Audacity right here, if I want to open Audacity, all I gotta do is type in basically Audacity. So we're gonna clear screen again, CLS, enter. So what I did is type in CLS and cleared screen, and then if I want to open Audacity, just type in Audacity. Oh wait, you're gonna type in CD Audacity, and then it will open up your directory link to program files and Audacity. And then this is the kind of the tricky part to opening programs. You gotta, what I do is type dir, which is directory, and it will show me everything in Audacity, all the directories and stuff. And then to find what you got to type in to open Audacity, you got to find something that ends in .exe. So right here's audacity.exe. So basically clear screen again, and then type in Audacity. Audacity.exe, and then when you push enter, it's going to open up Audacity. So see right here, it just opened up Audacity. Anyway, yeah, that's how you open files. Yeah, that's how you open files with the command prompt in CLS. A couple more things you can do with the command prompt is you can, hold on, you can also change the color. To get a list of what you gotta type in to do color, all you gotta do is type in color. What I do is just type in color Y and enter, and it'll give you a list of what numbers do what color. Like, okay, when you do the color thing, it works like the first number you type in will be the background color, and then the second number you type in will be the letter color. So if I wanted a blue background, I'd type in 1 for blue background, and then for the color, or for the letters, I type in I want a red letter, so I type in 4. So 14 will be blue background, red letters, color 14, and there it is. And my favorite actually is, hold on, change it back to black. My favorite is actually color, because all it really does is make the letters more white. Like, watch here, see it, it's kind of hard to see, but it made the letters more bright. Yeah. And that's about it for this. Hope you understood it. It's kind of hard to get, but yeah. Also, with the command prompt, you can, if you want to know your computer's IP address, you can type in config, and if you push enter, it'll give you a list of numbers and letters and stuff. Just find where it says IP address, and right by that, it'll say numbers, and that will be your IP address. So when you do get your IP address, like if you want to shut down, well, there's different ways to shut down your computer. You can do a bunch of stuff with the command prompt to shut down your computer. A hard way to shut it down is using your IP address. You can type in shutdown space -I, and that'll give you a box that looks like this, and it's the remote shutdown. You can it'll actually shut down a computer from wherever you are, so you could be on a different computer in a different state or whatever. You can still shut down your computer using its IP address, I think, at least. And so like you type your IP address right here. That's not a real IP address, but that's what it will look like. And then you would type, or come down here, and you could restart it or shut down your computer, whichever one. It'll give you a time for whenever you want it to shut down, and you can post a comment that they'll see that the computer will show up when it shuts down. And yeah, so you can basically, if you know a computer's IP address, just add it and you can shut it down. Yeah. And let's see, one last thing you can do with an IP address is, or not an IP address, with the command prompt, is you could if you want to know website servers and IP addresses to the website server, you can type in trace RT space and then W. You can type in a website, and I don't really have my internet connected right now, so it won't work. But if you do have your internet connected, you type that or whatever website you want and push enter, and it will give you all the computer servers connected to that website or running that website, where they're located, and all the IP addresses. So it's always kind of fun to look around at. And yeah, that's you can do a lot more stuff with the command prompt, but just to sum it all up, there's a few things you can do. So good luck and see ya.